Hi, good evening, friends. Today again I am back within on the assignment topic, and here I am going to discuss a very important question, okay, which is totally different as we discussed in the previous videos. Okay, I am requesting you friends, please, whatever video I upload, you go with that. Okay, in the upcoming videos, I used to upload in a new and in an interesting topic on that, which is important for the exam point of view also, and also for the gate point of view also. Okay, so let's solve the assignment topic. Now in the question he is saying that what is the optimum assignment, okay, which will maximize the profit. Okay, in this question is a very new thing. Okay, what is that? Here you have to maximize the profit. Okay, in whatever the videos I have uploaded in the previous, that is for the minimization problem, and the assignment only always deal with the minimization. Okay, and here it is a new thing. So how you have to solve this? So let's go with that. Okay, first it is given your matrix. Since first you have to check that it is a square matrix or not. So if you see that number of the column is your 4 and number of row you are having is also 4, so it is a square matrix and it is applicable for the assignment. Now the next step that you have to see in the assignment on the assignment topic, that in the question it is asked for maximization, to maximize the profit or to minimize the profit. Okay, so since he had asked for the maximize the profit, so first of all I have to reduce this matrix into the minimization problem. Okay, after that we can easily apply the assignment method. Okay, so first let's reduce this matrix into minimization into the minimization. Okay, so how you need to do that? You go for so first step. So step 1. So converting it into the minimization, first of all you have to find in a maximum value in this matrix. Okay, if you'll see this matrix, then you are having the maximum value as a 16. Okay, now you have to subtract all these element. Okay, all these element with a value of 16. Okay, so let's go with that. So step 1, converting to minimization. Converting to a minimization. Converting it to the minimization. Okay, so first make the format of the matrix. It is 1 2 3 4 A B C D. Okay, maximum value is your 16. Okay, so now I am going to subtract this. So 16 itself, 6 minus 16 is a 0. Okay, now 16 minus 10, 6. 16 minus 14 is your 4. Okay, 16 minus 11 is 5. Now 16 minus 14 is your 2. 16 minus 11, 5. 16 minus 15, 1. 16 minus 15, 1. Okay, 16 minus 15, 1. Again 16 minus 15, 1. 16 minus 13, 3. 16 minus 12, 4. 16 minus 13, again 3. Now 16 minus 12 is your 4. Again 16 minus 14, 2. Okay, 16 minus 15 is 1. Okay, now we have successfully reduced the maximization matrix into the minimization, and now we can easily follow the procedure of the assignment. Okay, since now we are going to minimize this matrix. Okay, whatever we are going to get in a matrix for the minimization, same values. Okay, now same answer will be applicable for this maximization profit. Okay, now step 2. Okay, in the step 2 it is our row minimization. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select the minimum value from this first row. Okay, first row, and you have to subtract that element with all the element of that row. So in first you make the format of the matrix. Okay, 1 2 3 4, A, B, C and D. Okay, so in the first row you are having a minimum value as a 0, so subtract it within each element. So 0 minus 0 6, since it is 0 we are going to subtract, so all the element will be remain as it is. So 6 4 5. Now come to the next row. In the next row you are having minimum value 1. Now you have to subtract this minimum value from the each element. Okay, so 2 minus 1 1, 5 minus 1 4, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, now in the next row you're having minimum value again 1. You have to subtract it with each element. Okay, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus 1 3. Okay, sorry, see here and here. Okay, now in the next row you're having minimum value 1. Okay, now you have to subtract this minimum value with each element of that row. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, now my row minimization is over. Okay, now I have to go for the next step, that is column minimization. Step 3. Okay, column minimization. Okay, now if you'll see in this matrix, okay, after row minimization we got this matrix, and if you'll see in each column you are having minimum value as a 0. Okay, now if you'll subtract this minimum value with the respective element of that column, you are going to get in a same matrix. So no need to go for the column minimization. Okay, directly moving to the next step. Okay, next step, no need to go for the column minimization. Now for the next, moving to the next step, we have to write in a matrix as it is. Okay, write the format first, 1 2 3 4 and A B C and D. Writing in a same matrix as it is, 0 6 4 5, 0 6 4 5. Okay, 1 4 0 0, 1 4 0 0, 0 0 2 3. Okay, 0 0 2 3. Okay, 2 3 1 0, so 2 3 1 0. Okay, now moving again for next step, what is that? Moving from the top to bottom and left to right. Okay, we have to focus only on the 0. Okay, now moving from the top to bottom and left right, we are having the first 0 present in the first element. Okay, so this is your first 0%. So you have to, now you have to check this 0, that is it unique in its row or in its column. If you see this 0, then it is unique in its row, so you have to cover it and you have to cancel other 0% in a column. Okay, did. Now moving to the next row. If you will see in the next row, the first 0 is this one. Okay, now you have to check this, that is it unique in its row or in its column. If you'll see that this 0 is not unique in its row, okay, but it is unique in its column, so you have to cover it and you have to cancel other element, other 0% in its row. Okay, now moving to the next row, see here it is, this is cancel out, so no need to focus here. Now you have to go from the left to right. This is your first 0. Okay, and you have to check that is it unique in its row or in its column. If you'll see it, then you are having this 0 which is unique in its row also and it is also in column, so you have to cover it and you have to cancel other 0% in its row or in column. Since there is no 0% in its column, also is in its row, so I have to go for the next row. In the next row, if you'll see, you're having first 0 while moving from the left to right, you're having first 0, this one, so you have to cover it, and also it is unique in its row and in its column, so I have to assign it. Okay, now you have to go for that, is it number of assigned value, number of assignment, equal to 4, sorry, so 4, okay, and number of row or column equal to 4. So our assignment is successful. Successful. So I have to go for solution now. Go for solution. Okay, now coming for the solution. Now you see the first, you see the check the question. That is, this is your A B C D and these are 1 2 3. So in the first step, first column, right, you make here 3 column. Okay, better you have to make 3 column. Okay, first and second and 3. Okay, first here. Okay, here it is given A B C D. In the first column you write in the first column you have to write the row values. Okay, so it is your A B C D, B C and D. Okay, and since here it is given nothing, so better you can mention it as in a machine. Okay, machine. Okay, and also if you'll see in a column nothing he had mentioned, so you write it job. In the second column job, and write in a column values 1 2 3 4. Okay, sorry, here what you do in a job, for a job which column is assigned, you have to write here. Okay, for first job the assignment is first column. Okay, for first row you are having assignment in a first column, so you have to write here job 1. Okay, now for the second machine. Okay, for the second machine, okay, for second machine you are having third column assignment, so you have write here third. Okay, in the third column you are having assignment in the second column, so you have write here 2. Okay, in the fourth column you are having assignment in the fourth column. Okay, so you have to write here 4. Okay, now consider it as a cost. Okay, so write in a third column as a cost, and so for the cost you have to go for the original matrix. Okay, which is given for the maximization, you have to put this value. Okay, so now for machine 1 and job 1, for machine 1 and job 1 you are having a value cost of 16, so you have to write it here 16. Okay, now for machine B job third. Okay, machine B job third you are having value as a 15, so write it here 15. Okay, now in third case, machine C job second, so machine C job second you are having 15. Okay, now fourth machine, fourth job, now fourth machine fourth job you are having value as a 15. So now total it, add it, what you will get, you are going to get 61. Okay, so this is your answer. So what he had asked in the question, what is the optimum assignment? So this is your assignment. For machine A you have to assign in a job 1, for machine B you have to assign 3, and this is your assignment. Okay, and next what will be the maximization, maximize the profit. Okay, to maximize the profit we did this assignment, and maximum profit will be 61. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, watch the upcoming videos, okay, where I will upload the important question. Okay, thank you very much. One thing more here, you focus that if you'll match this answer with your textbook, whatever you're following, okay, the job assignment may vary. Okay, suppose that for A I had got here 1, you may get 3, you may get 2, you may get 4. Okay, but your total cost, okay, total maximization should be equal, same. Okay, so take care of this. Okay, thank you.